The CM Solar Mission is a flagship initiative by the government of Meghalaya, implemented by the Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency (MNREDA). Its goal is to make the state energy resilient and environmentally sustainable. CM Solar Mission is a program designed to be affordable and accessible. Small households only need to contribute 10% of the cost. The state government covers the rest, providing a 50-90% subsidy, with the remaining amount for larger systems covered by simple bank loans. To apply for the CM Solar Mission scheme, you can consult with MNREDA and submit your application through the district administration, or contact your nearest block development officer (BDO).
Ka Ying Shariu Special Judge NDPS ke District Southwest Khasi Hills haga khatwai terek unai wiang arhajar arpusan kelarai penrem yaki Ngut ki Nongkhaïi drugs da ka besar Phatok shpo Snem namar ki kam Nongkhaïi drugs hapo ki kendon jong ke NDPS Act. Kani ke Ying Shari kala dan kunaru marshilak tengka bat kelaong balada kemla ban siu ki hab ban syong ha along sa shibnai. Kini ke belasya arai penrem ki long u somison sangma arpusau Snem kerta u Gopal Barman arpusau Snem kerta baru jual di sangma arpu ar Snem kerta. Bat kini baru gede na Nongkhaïi ke bahap apo ke Mausen Ram Block ke District East Khasi Hills. Katkum kejing itu Superintendent ki Pulit ke District Southwest Khasi Hills uba bijerwa. Uli tu baik kini ki Ngut lakem dagi sipai BSF naduk kakat kendai trip kula lengkot ke Snem arhajar arpusau. Nak katan rani kor halor ke kam Nongkhaïi drugs bat nak met jengki layuk pun kurup kendai song ki kenja drugs ki badan hadu kumba syihajar nyuspa arpu prateli ki tablet ika bala subah bagi day ki yaba tablet.